For me, Nextiva was a game changer for our business. It has brought communication and reliability to our platform. That's paramount. If we don't have reliable communication, we don't have a business. We provide support, installation, and after-sales service of technology in the hospitality restaurant business and resorts. What has been the biggest feather in my cap was bringing Nextiva into the building. The most important thing for me was reliability. Reliability on a phone system is mission critical. I wanted something that I knew no matter what, living in the state of Florida, the hurricane capital of the world, we know things go down. And if there's an issue, the ability to take a phone and plug it in pretty much anywhere and have it work like it's sitting here in our office, huge. We've been fortunate to have double-digit growth for the last 2 years, 38 and 78%. We attribute a lot of that to the ability to hire everywhere. If that talent is not here in Tampa, they can still be part of that team with the ability to, here's your phone, here's your computer, send it to a faraway land, plug it in and go, has brought the training and getting them on the phone and working with customers. It shrunk the time by 2/3. Our support team lives on Nextiva. We believe in extreme customer service. We average 400 to 500 calls a day. Our field guys, our project managers, our salespeople use the Nextiva app on their cell phone to still maintain that customer communication without giving out their personal cell phone information. Across the board, it just provides for a better overall experience. One of my favorite features with Nextiva is the ability to pull calls from my cell phone onto my desk phone, onto my PC app, because I'm constantly moving. We do call pops with inbound calls where we can see who that customer is as we're answering it. We're actually pulling up the customer in our PSA, the customer address, the phone number, starting a new ticket. We're shrinking that down, allowing us to reach more customers. Once again, going towards that speed of delivery of service. Analytics are huge in our call center. It just drives better customer service. If I can measure it, I can fix it. If I don't know about it, I'm guessing. We're able to handle our calls better. Nextiva's customer service, they'd love to call it amazing, and I'm going to have to agree with them.